Good morning, dears. Look here. Now, linear equation 2 variables, short answer type and 2 marks and 3 marks. Look here. The linear equation in 2 variable already studied. The general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And in two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. You remember that? a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. The lines are intersecting lines. The graph is already a straight line. The two graphs are two straight lines. They are intersecting lines. Already you studied that. Intersecting lines, and there is exactly one solution. Exactly one solution. And your answer is consistent. Your answer is consistent. The equations are consistent means you get an exact answer. You remember that? That is the first condition. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Exactly one solution. They are intersecting graph. Second condition. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by b2. And here the lines are parallel lines. The graphs are straight lines and they are parallel. Parallel means not intersecting. Not intersecting means there is no solution. The lines are parallel, there is no solution. No solution. Okay? And it is not consistent or inconsistent. Inconsistent. Okay. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, no solution. Okay. And another one is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by b2. That means the graph is a single line. The points are common. That means coinciding line. Okay. The two graphs are the same straight line. They are coinciding lines, consistent, and infinite number of solutions. There are so many solutions. Infinite number of solutions. The condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Is it all? And the questions, it carries 1 mark and 2 marks. Look at the equation. 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. 6x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Look at 2 by 6 is a1 by a2. That is equal to 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is 3 by 6. That's 1 by 2. a1 by a2 is 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is 1 by 2. They are different. So, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So, what's your answer? Your question is write the characteristic of the solution. Okay. So, the characteristic is they are intersecting lines. You remember that? And there is exactly one solution. Exactly one solution. And it is consistent. That's your answer. Characteristic of the solution means your answer is exactly one solution. Is it all? Another example, look at here. 2x plus 5y minus 7 equal to 0. 6x plus 15y minus 10 equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 is 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is 5 by 15. That's also 1 by 3. So, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Then, if they are equal, you find c1 by c2. Minus 7 by minus 10 is 7 by 10. This is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3, other one is 7 by 10. That is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. You remember the condition? So, they are parallel lines. That's your answer. They are parallel lines and there is no solution. Your question is to write the characteristic of the solution. Your answer is there is no solution. There is no solution. It is inconsistent. That means not consistent. Okay. Another example. 3x minus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. 6x minus 8y minus 16 equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 is 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is minus 4 by minus 8, that's also 1 by 2. And C1 by C2 here it is negative 8 by negative 16. That's also 1 by 2. 8 into 2 equal to 16. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. And your condition is the lines are coinciding graph. There are infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions but consistent. Infinite number of solutions but it is consistent. Okay. Remember, it's a short answer type question. It carries 1 mark and 2 marks also. For example, in equations 2x plus 3y minus 10 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y minus k equal to 0. Okay. The lines are parallel. Otherwise, there is no solution. Find the value of k. Then if there is no solution, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Not equal to c1 by c2. So your answer is 2 by 4 not equal to minus 10 by minus k. And 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. That is 10 by k. If you cross multiply, you get k equal to 20. Is it right? But your answer is not equal to. Not equal to. You get the idea? So your answer is k not equal to 20. If it is 20, you get answer. If it is not 20, if it is 20, it is infinite number of solutions. If it is not 20, not 20. The lines are parallel and there is no solution. There is no solution. You get the idea? That's also a short answer. 5x plus ky minus 12 equal to 0 and 10x plus 20y minus 24 equal to 0. There are infinite number of solutions. Find the value of k. Your condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So 5 by 10 equal to k by 20 equal to minus 12 by minus 24. This is 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. Is it clear? So cross multiply. 2k equal to 20. K equal to 20 divided by 2 equal to 10. Your answer is 10. K is equal to 10. Then infinite number of solutions. Okay. That's also what does it. The revision ആണ് നല്ലോണം വാച്ച് ചെയ്തോളൂ. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചെയ്യാൻ തരട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്.